Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries. My battery life is kind of on a half right now since apparently my battery died completely before. So I am now filming. Hopefully I can get this video done before it dies. So today is a collaboration video with Duvole. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Forgive me if I am pronouncing it wrong. I should have probably asked before filming this video. But honestly, I completely forgot until I filmed this video. I have collabed with them before when they had given me for free one of their radiant spinners for your face. Yes, the Radiant Spin Care System. I have actually showed a video how to use it and my review on it before. And now they wanted to do another video with me and they asked me what product I wanted to do from their line. So I am actually doing a makeup tutorial using the Peak Cosmetics from their website. So I have not actually tested any of these eyeshadows. With this video, I also have a coupon code called MySound, which you get 70% off all styling tools and Radiant Spin Care System. So go check out the website. I will try to remember to put it down below. I better put it down below because that's part of the collab. You gotta do that, girl. Make sure you do that, girl. So let's get started on doing a makeup tutorial. I got the Modern Neutrals. This was $8. I didn't have to pay for it. They sent it to me for free for testing and reviewing. It has 28 color eyeshadow palette. It says it has mattes and shimmers. However, when I looked inside, I don't really see shimmers. I only see mattes. And I'm like trying to figure out which one could be a shimmer. This is like the closest one I can find that is a shimmer. So I did grab another palette for a shimmer look if I do decide to do a shimmery look also. So I have no idea what I'm going to be doing with this palette. There's no names on it for the colors, so bear with me when I come out with really incredibly terrible color names for the colors I'm picking. And let's just get started because I'm probably going to talk too much during this video. So first and foremost, I'm going to prime my eyes using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. I'm going to take this very fluffy brush. My favorite brush is the Morphe M441 brush. I got this from Ulta. I was like, oh my god, they actually come out with Morphe stuff because mine never does. And this was like the first time I saw it and I was like, oh my god, I have to grab at least one brush. I'm going to go for this beige color right here. It's the second color. I'm going to take it and I'm going to use it as a setter for my primer. This will also help make the eyelid an easier canvas to work with instead of having that primer be sticky. So from what I can tell, the color was taken off of the palette, which is good. That means it's coming onto the brush. Couldn't tell because the colors kind of match, so I couldn't tell if it was actually really on the brush or not. So let's get started. I'm going to move over here so I can see this better. I'm going to start with this one right here. This is like, I don't know what you would call it, a very light cranberry color. Not like very light, but light for cranberry. I'm just going to take that, let's see how much. It does come on to the brush pretty nicely. Now let's see how well it blends, because like I said, with the top one, you can't really see because it matches my skin tone, and you can't see if it's going on nicely or not. Oh, a lot of the product came off when I did this, so beware of that. Well, it's going on the eye very easily. Like you push down and it's already on the eye. But let's see if it blends nicely. I can't see the mirror very well, so oh my god, this is turning out well. It looks nice. Let's add a little bit more pigment. Usually I don't do dark looks too much because I'm actually a little afraid of doing dark looks. I'm always afraid I'm going to mess it up and make it look really bad. So that's just me. I'm going to bring it towards here when a lot of the color is off to help with the ombre look. The transition of darkness, I guess you could say also. It looks like it's done a very good job blending. Now let's go to an even darker shade. We're only going to really use 2 shades here. But at least we're testing the darker ones. So we're going to go over here. This is more of a maroon color, so it's a little bit darker. And when we're going to put it in, we're going to put this in slightly underneath this top part where the lighter maroon or where that lighter cranberry color is. And we're going to stick it mostly in the middle of the crease, but focusing like right here and slowly bringing it in this way. If that makes any sense whatsoever. So I'm lightly touching it, by the way. And it's coming off fairly easy, but it's still also sticking on the brush, if that makes any sense. So it means that a lot of product is coming off, like any of the extra, but it's still a lot of product is on the brush too. So let's focus. What do you need to focus? So I'm going to put it down right here first, since it's such a dark color. I'm going to do this again to get any other excess off, and then I'm going to start bringing it into the crease, using circular motions and windshield swiping motions in different times. Yeah, add a little bit more. So that first one was just one swipe, not one, but maybe two swipes of that, and it was able to fill it out pretty nicely and stay pretty much there without taking too much product off when it's blending. So that's pretty good. That means it's well pigmented. Look at that. That is really pretty. I mean, even if I were to put, if you don't like dark looks and you wanted to put a lighter color here, it would look bomb by itself. Like, maybe I'll still do that. Let's see how I feel. It's the ColourPop palette, and I'm just going to take, yeah, no, we're not going to do that. Well, because that's darker anyways. Either way, that's darker. But we are going to use a shimmer instead, because I just like the way the shimmers look. But we're going to do something a little bit different. So we're going to take a slightly smaller blending brush, like that. And I'm going to go into this maroon color again, right here. At the very end of my brush, I'm going to take a little bit of it, like that. I'm going to focus it right here and start uniting the two maroon colors at the ends by going through the crease, like right here. Now I'm going to take a thinner brush like this at the end of this one, which is a Profusion brush. I'm going to take the two colors I was using before and I'm going to put them where they are on the eye, but on the lower lid. So we're going to go back to this light cranberry color, and I'm going to put it at the end of this part right here, and the end of this part right here, and I'm not going to bring it into the middle. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the maroon color, but I'm going to be very careful with it because since it's a darker shade, it's going to be a little harder to control. Now I'm going to wipe that brush I just used, and I'm going to go back to this. Well, I'm going to go to white right here instead. I take this white, and I'm going to put it on my brow bone. Kind of gives the brow the highlight that the eye needs, if that makes any sense. Dimension. Okay, that is all I'm going to do with this palette. Now I'm going to move on to the ColourPop palette that I mentioned, and I'm going to use Teddy Bear, which is right here. I'm going to take a packing brush, I'm going to wipe it off because I had stuff on from other times, and I'm going to take the color and I'm going to put it in the center of the lid. Just the center. And now I'm going to put it in the center of the bottom lid. I'm using Laura Geller Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner in After Midnight. I actually got this from an Allure package when Carly Bible did her Allure box with them for April, which was great because April was my birthday month. I was like, of course, my favorite guru coming out with a box for only $10 with a whole bunch of high-priced items in the month of my birthday. And what I'm doing is I'm tightlining my eyes. Now mascara. I'm using L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Blackest Black. Now I'm going to move on to falsies. I always use falsies. My favorite falsies currently right now, if you can't tell with the last few makeup videos I've been using, is Kat Kish Blowout Lashes and Page Boy. I don't know what is with these lashes that I like so much, but I do. Usually I go for the ones that flare at the end, and this one kind of does. But I just love these lashes. I don't know why. I just... Lastly, I'm using Rimmel London's Paradise lipstick. Now, usually I would be using my favorite lipstick right now, which is Kat Von D's Requiem lipstick, but I have no idea where I put that thing. No idea where I put it. So instead, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood. This is also from the Allure box that I got back in April, so I'm not actually spending all this money on it. I just got it. Oh my god! This lipstick, by the way, does cause you to go in the teeth, so we're going to fix that by grabbing this paper towel, magic worker, and doing that. That will help keep it from the frickin' teeth. Alright, and this is the final look. Again, thank you for joining me in this video. My name is Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and I will be doing beauty and more mental health videos in the future. Thank you again, Duvol, or Duvole, for collaborating with me for the second time. Thank you again for sending me these products for free, for trying them out. What do I think about the palette, by the way? It is only $8, not including shipping. I don't know how much it costs with including shipping. Only $8, and I actually love this look. I mean, it blended well. It went on the brush nicely. It came off the brush, and the excess came off the brush, but it still had enough on the brush to do a lot of work. And it was well pigmented. So honestly, if I had the money, for $8 is not that bad actually. I could actually afford that to get the second kit that's on there. I would pay it because this is a very, very good outcome for something that's only $8. Something that's only $8, mind you. And it came out beautifully. It did. I wasn't expecting it. The only thing that I had that's downfall is when I did open it, you can really smell that cosmetic smell. Like sometimes when you open something, you're like, wow, that's really makeup right there. That's what it has. It gives you that boom, makeup smell. And secondly, it says it has a shimmer in it, or shimmers in it, but I didn't see any, personally. Maybe I'm, judgmental on that. But I loved it. I would definitely buy this product. And I'm not just saying that because it's a collab. I got it for free. And I'm going to give you the honest review because I always give you guys the honest review. So I also got a coupon code. It's called MySound. Right here. 70% off styling tools and radiant skincare system. I'm looking down to make sure I'm seeing this properly. So I hope you guys like this look. It's the halo look. And I hope you guys like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day.